Can I get the total for the pizzas? How much is it going to cost?
You can add it up.
I love that kind of stuff.
Sure.
What are you talking about?
Do you want a small margarita pizza? You know what? Don't worry about the. We'll add it up. Can we just have a small margarita pizza?
What?
Yeah. Okay, and that's it. Bye.
Sweetie, your turn.
Like a pie, sometimes how much is it going to be, you know?
Okay, do it, Steve.
Transition, sweetie. No, transition, sweetie.
I don't know if we can. Ready?
They usually
Wait,
just figure
ready?
it out when you go together.
Yeah, exactly. Well, my thing was I just want to know how much money, you know? It's like, dude, you know, it's like, I don't want to show up with 20 bucks.
Sweetie,
It's
don't give up
30,
so
you know?
easily. Do it. See? Skip